Let me share with you in a nutshell what I recently discussed with my workshop participants. Honing your speaking skills is indispensable for both personal and professional growth. Effective communication not only enhances your ability to convey ideas with clarity, but also bolsters your confidence in diverse settings. Mastering eloquence and articulation can open doors to myriad opportunities, from career advancements to enriched interpersonal relationships. The art of persuasion, negotiation, and presentation are all rooted in adept speaking abilities. By refining your oratory skills, you cultivate a powerful tool that can influence, inspire, and lead. Continuous practice, along with a willingness to embrace feedback, transforms a competent speaker into an exceptionally brilliant one. Therefore, investing time and effort in perfecting your speaking skills is a strategic move towards achieving success and fulfillment in life. So keep working on your speech, improve your pronunciation, diction, and style, and most importantly, enjoy the process.